These four powerful settings that I'm about to reveal to you right now, if they are not turned on or off the right way, then you're going to keep struggling with low views, no subscribers, and no watch hour. So if you're constantly uploading videos and nothing is moving, your views are stuck and your subscribers are not even increasing, then this could probably be the reason. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to fix them in order for your channel to start growing fast and you get the desired views you want. And also, I'll be showing you one hidden trick that exposes and tells you what the bigger creators in your niche are doing right in order for you to go ahead and fix them on your channel and get the desired views that they're actually getting. So right now, the first thing that we need to go ahead and do is to let's come over here to where your videos are on your YouTube Studio desktop version. Then go to where your contents are, click on a particular video. Now scroll down, click on this see more, scroll down to this setting here. Now keep scrolling down and scroll over to this settings that says category. Now this particular setting, if is not properly optimized on your channel, you can be posting videos from year to year and you just be messing things up for yourself. Why? Is because this single setting called category is actually going to really help the YouTube algorithm know what your video are and know the kind of audience to push out your video to. And we all know that the minute you create a channel, YouTube automatically puts that category section up for people and blogs. So now it's in your power, it's in your position to fix that setting right. Imagine me doing tutorial niche, tutorial videos, and I'm fixing that kind of setting. That means that YouTube will keep on pushing my videos to those kind of audience, and obviously they are not interested, so they are not going to watch it, because whether you like it or not, different people are here to watch different videos. And most small YouTubers are making this mistake, which is the mistake of leaving this setting on default. That is, whatsoever YouTube like, let YouTube categorize your video. This is going to be really affecting your views. Now if maybe you are in a niche and you feel that, oh, I don't even know what to actually categorize my channel to, or maybe I don't know what category I should actually fix my channel to, because I see some people on a YouTube growth niche. Some of us will go ahead and choose education, some will choose how to, some will choose different kind of things. Now I'm going to be showing you one super trick that you can actually use to categorize your channel the right way. So first thing that we're going to be doing now is think of a creator doing well in your niche. Like think of a very big creator that is doing well, that the videos are performing well. Now the next thing you need to go ahead and do is to go over to YouTube search bar and type that creator's name. Now for my niche, let me make use of VDIQ, because obviously he's doing so well in my niche. So now the next thing I need to do is to click on his channel, view channel. So now what I simply need to do now is to copy a link of one of his video here. Now let's go over and copy this particular video link. Click on share for you to copy the link. Now once you copy the link, go over to your search bar, that is either your Chrome or your browser. Now once you get to your browser, the next thing you need to do is to go over and type this particular thing that I'm going to be displaying to you right now. So what we're simply trying to do now is for us to be able to categorize our channel from the bigger creators in our niche. So now what you simply need to do is to come down to here and type YouTube metadata, YouTube metadata viewer. You're going to see it, or you just type it in full. Now what you just need to do is to click on it. So now once you click on it, this particular first icon you see here, go ahead and select it. Now once you select it, it's going to bring you here for you to actually drop that link that you copied and click on submit. So let's go over and paste that link that I copied earlier on. Paste the link, then click on submit. So when you click on submit, it's going to roll, and what you just need to do is to scroll down. Now this is the VDIQ for this particular video that he just posted. You can see the tags that he used. So now let's assume that maybe I want to do a video relating to this kind of title. What I simply need to do is to come over here and copy all these tags that is here. What you just need to do is to do copy and paste, and you will have the same information. So just carry it and go and paste it on your video. Now but that is not even what we are here for. So let's go over to this place that says category. So right now, you all can see that his category is on how to and style. Now, what do I need to do is to go ahead and fix my channel category to how to and style. Why? Is because that is what I am doing. Now, a lot of us get it wrong. If you're doing videos that relating to how to do this, you are simply giving tutorials that how to do this, how to do that. So when people come over to the YouTube search bar to search for videos like that, your video is not going to be recommended, your videos is not going to be suggested, and this is really going to be affecting your views. So now if you're wondering, Princess, how do I set this setting permanent on my channel? Because you all know that each video you upload, whether you're posting from the desktop or from the main YouTube app, you have to choose this particular setting. So now instead of anytime you want to upload your video, you go ahead and be clicking on that setting, because sometimes it might just escape your mind and you just leave it as default setting. It's advisable and it's really important you tell the YouTube algorithm itself what your channel is all about. Categorize your video the right way. So now for you to get that particular setting fixed permanently on your channel, as usual, go over to your YouTube Studio desktop version. Now check under this particular settings side. What you just need to do is to click on it. So now once you click on it, you're going to see this option that says upload defaults. Now this same upload defaults, go ahead and click on advanced setting, and once you click on it, you will see the option that says category. Now if you go over and check it out, you will see that there are a lot of ideas here. These are the various different kind of video category and niche on YouTube. So right now, if you don't belong to one, then you're simply missing it up. And if you are this kind of person that maybe you want to post video today, you go ahead and choose different category. You want to post video tomorrow, choose different category. No, you have to find one particular category here and categorize your channel and your video. So once you're done, do not forget, click on save in order for the setting to be automatically saved on your channel. So now once you're done with that, the number 2 most important setting also that you need to go ahead and make sure that it's properly fixed on your channel is, now let's come over to this upload default, this same upload default, and under this basic info, you're going to see title, you will see description, and you will see your visibility, which can be public or maybe unlisted. But the second most important setting that you need to pay attention here is this tags section. Like if you don't know, tags actually help your video come up on search results. That is the work of these tags and hashtag. It actually make your it actually helps your video appear on search results, and a lot of us don't even make use of it. So now what you simply need to do is to get up to like 4 or 5 tags that is related to your channel, what your channel is all about. Now we all know that my channel is all about maybe YouTube tutorial. So definitely the kind of tags that you should be expecting to see here are tags like YouTube tutorials 1, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get more views, and how to get much more subscribers. Now think of what your niche is, what your channel is all about, then come down here and fix them. Now let's move over to the third important setting that you need to make sure it's properly optimized on your channel. This particular setting, if you mess up with it, like it's really going to affect you on the long run. Though I know a lot of us don't really pay attention to it, but just some days ago I was scrolling here on YouTube, then I came across a channel, and that beautiful creator was talking about how this particular setting affected one of our students, and that her student channel got a query from YouTube. Now if you're wondering what is this setting that Princess is talking about, now this setting is, once you come over to this your YouTube studio, this your advanced setting side, you scroll down to this place that says don't show potential inappropriate word. This setting, the main reason and the main importance of this setting is this. Now let's read it together. Auto captioning occasionally makes mistake, and these settings prevent potentially inappropriate words from being displayed. Now we all know that sometimes the AI in charge of this auto caption can actually make mistakes sometimes. Before I started turning this setting on permanently on my channel, I used to experience it. Sometimes I want to make a statement like dog, and all of a sudden this auto caption will just go ahead and give you something else, and this particular thing can actually affect your channel, because there are some words that you should not even make use of on YouTube here, most especially when you are monetized. You can go ahead and read the monetization policy and you will see a lot. So in order for you not to even fall victim or like to even experience this at all, just come over here and click this setting on. It's as easy as that. I was so surprised that from the comment section of that video, I kept on seeing people's comments on how this particular thing hurt their channel. You know, there are some settings that are very little, but the minute it affects you, you know that they are very important. So just try your best, come over here and tick this setting on, because it's for your own good, okay? And also the fourth another important setting that you don't even have to click this setting on for any reason. I was doing channel review for someone who just got monetized. They're like two, and I was like, how on earth should you even turn this setting on? Turning this setting on, you're putting your account at risk. You know that there are some settings that we have here that were meant to turn on and they were meant to turn off. So if you mess it up, it's going to really affect you. And that setting is no other setting than this particular setting that says third party training. Turning this setting on, you're simply leaving your channel information and your data out there, and someone who is very smart can hack your channel. Okay, now if you take your time and read through what this particular statement says here, you will understand more and you see the reason why you shouldn't take this setting on your channel. So if you're watching me right now, you have to come over to this your YouTube studio dashboard and check if this setting is turned on, and go ahead and turn it off immediately. Okay, so now here are some other important Jara settings that you need to actually make sure that it is turned on any video that you want to upload, because most of the time I see people asking questions like, okay, please say there are some people that actually remix my video. What do I need to do? Should I turn this particular setting off so that they won't be able to get chance to remix my video? On no occasion should you turn this setting off. And this setting is this particular setting that says allow video and audio remixing. Allow only audio remixing, don't allow remixing. That is under this short remixing. Any video you want to upload, make sure you tick this allow video and audio remixing. It's really going to help spread your channel more. When I posted this video about how much YouTube paid me in 3 months, a lot of people remixed it to their channel, and from my YouTube analytics, I discovered that that video got much more views because of those short remixing. On the long run, it's not going to affect my channel, because when you get monetized, if somebody reviews your video in a way that is not appropriate, you can as well bring down that video by yourself. So you just have to try your best to always allow this audio remixing on. It's not going to harm your channel. Okay, now once you're done with that, the next setting that you need to make sure you pay attention is the brother of this setting, which is allow embedding. Allow people download your video, post it anywhere that they want. One good thing is you can always go to that your copyright center and bring down any video. That is if YouTube notify you that the owner of that video is using it the wrong way, and then you can now go ahead and bring the video down. But aside from that, always try your best to click on allow embedding. It's really going to help expand your channel the more. And also, if you've been following me for like a while now, I did a video about 3 months ago of me turning this particular setting off totally on my channel, and you also saw how my views drop, because before now people pick my videos to go and post them on different websites, on Facebook Messenger, a lot of websites like that. And when I check out for where my views are coming from, I see sometimes that 15% of my views are coming from outside YouTube, and that is a good thing to your channel. So on no condition should you turn this allowing embedding and short remixing off on your channel. Okay, so this video is getting too long, and in my next video I'm going to be revealing much more settings that you need to make sure that you put place on your channel. Now before I forget, this particular video here, make sure you go ahead and watch it, as it's going to really help you and grow much more faster here on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to like. If you've not yet liked it, do well to subscribe to my channel, because I only bring premium valuable content to your table. Lastly, do not forget to share this video so that it can get to a lot of other smaller creators, and let us help each other by doing the right things. All right guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.